Третий класс, английский язык, звездный английский, домашнее задание. Я готов к ужину. Часть вторая, страница 86, 87, 88. English, Starlight 3. I'm ready for my supper. Homework part number 2. Page number 86, 87, 88. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 86, 86. Fairy cakes. Exercise number 1. Listen and read the dialogue. Послушайте и прочтите диалог. Hooray! It's 1 o'clock. It's lunch time. Oh no, carrots. I don't like carrots. I do. Tomatoes. Do you like tomatoes, Harry? Yes, I do. Eggs, Here you are, Harry. Thanks, Mona. Now I've got a big sandwich. Harry, be careful. Oh dear, what a mess. Whoops. Later in the afternoon. Hi, Mom. What are you doing? I'm making some cakes. Can we help? Of course. Are there any eggs in the fridge? Yes, there are. Good. Is there any sugar in the cupboard? Yes, there's something very sweet in the cupboard. Here we are. Fairy cakes. Fairy cakes? Look, Eleanor. Fairy cakes. Don't worry. There aren't any fairies in them. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read the dialogue again and find the number of the picture. Прочтите диалог еще раз и найдите номер картинки. The answer. It's lunch time. Picture number 1. Harry, be careful. Picture number 5. Are there any eggs in the fridge? Picture number 9. There aren't any fairies in them. Picture number 12. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 88, 88. Fairy cakes. Exercise number 1. Listen, point and repeat. Послушайте, покажите и повторяйте. Toast, honey, butter, cereal, pineapple, peas, banana, chocolate. Let's play. There are some pineapples in my fridge. There are some pineapples and some cheese in my fridge. The answer. There are some bananas in my fridge. There are some bananas and some butter in my fridge. There are some bananas, some butter, and some chocolate in my fridge. There are some bananas, some butter, some chocolate, and some meat in my fridge. There are some bananas, some butter, some chocolate, some meat and some eggs in my fridge. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Sing and do. Пой и делай. Are there any burgers? Are there any peas? Is there any chicken? Is there any cheese? Listen to my tummy. Glipe, glape, glape. Listen to my tummy. I am ready for my supper. Are there any apples? Are there any eggs? Is there any chocolate? Is there any bread? Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is